or satellite observation could bring a value to the overall context. Also navigation, which is a second element, or the first or second, that doesn't matter, that can bring capabilities for localization, identification, tracking, also precise timing, support to operation, coordination of all the elements within any tactical operation over the area. And finally, satellite technology are bringing communication, securing information interchange, data distribution to the area, on-site information delivery, also support to other systems like long-range identification and tracking. So these are what the space technology is trying to bring on this border surveillance, and we have to real integrate everything, to real make best use of what we can bring from space. This also within the European space policy, the European Commission has highlighted that we need to bring this all together in order to provide some space at best value. I just put this picture. These are the three examples of the current development that are being done. On the top, there is the Sentinel-1 picture, which is the GMES space infrastructure that is being developed now, that will be launched from now in 2 years. On my left, there is the Galileo in-orbit validation element, which is now in orbit bringing navigation signals from space, and this will be one of the assets that will be for the future, by sure, a big element for Europe. On my right, there is the small geo platform, which is a new platform, flexible, easily deployable for satellite communication. So there are 3 examples of development that I would like to highlight too. Okay, then based on this, we try to identify some gaps, and we also try to identify where we can better contribute to improve and to make best use of these technologies. So we identify that access to data is a very important element that we have to better improve. So better data access and requests, to improve on data policies, to improve on availability of consent for access to near real-time data, and also to improve the access to in-situ data. On information analysis, there is a clear requirement to make a best use of the new sensors. Now we have a lot of launches in the future, just a lot of launches in the past. There will be also new capabilities, new sensors with better resolution, with better imaging capabilities. So we have to make use of this what the space is bringing newly in order to make this best use. So there are new algorithms for target detection, trace detection, classification of small vessels, noise reduction of the environment. So this is a clear area of improvement we have identified and we are now working on. On integration, of course, we are not isolated. We will bring space technology within all the rest of technology, so we have to develop new algorithms for integration of data, correlation, integration with legacy systems user side, and also integration for this complex space environment with different missions from different stakeholders. And finally, this is very important, and this is an element I think that will be crucial for the future, which is the improvement of the system response. So I think moving from strategic support, which is now the common use of satellite technologies, moving to tactical support, there is a need to improve the system response. And there are a lot of elements that alone we cannot tackle, but they are important to mention, which is the new satellite constellation, new operation concept to operate the satellite infrastructure, onboard autonomy and onboard processing in order to reduce the data sent, in order to make the satellite to take their own decisions, and also some satellite data relay systems in order to reduce the time for data delivery, but also in order to reduce the time to task the satellite, which is very important to improve the responses. And of course, altogether we'll deal in a more operational use of space, which is very, very needed in this border management environment. This is an example of integration of all the technologies. It's taken from a European project within ESA, which is MARIS. But we are not bringing technology. We are trying to bring solutions to the user. So this is only the first step. We have to link user requirements, satellite sensor development, data exploitation technique, the phase standard, everything together in order to start